Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Tuesday the 24th of June 2025. Yeah, okay, another one of those wooden kits that I keep buying, ROKR, this one. £2 I paid for it, which I'm quite pleased with, but it's another one of those ones that's going to have loads of little wooden bits. I need to use my glasses to see what I'm doing. It's a small kit, but it's going to have lots of bits. 1/80th scale train model. $308 pieces. This is not a quick little kit to put together. That's going to be a few evenings at least, I would think. But at the price, £2, I thought it was well worth buying. They're significantly more than that to buy new. Yeah. Okay. That was in Bernardo's charity shop. They also had these. One of my more popular videos is making one of these from bent paper clips. So I may even have a playlist for these if I can find it. So I'll put that in the video description. What you do, rubber band, you wind it up, you put it flat, usually inside a book or something, so that when you open the book, it unwinds and flies like a butterfly. Well, not really like a butterfly, but that's what it's supposed to look like. It was £2 for £1, so I treated myself. And because they've got a rubber band on them, that'll be on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel. Test flying them. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.